So we have today iPhone 8 broken screen, iPhone 12 broken screen. We will do experiment. We will see what's the inside, because this is LCD screen, LCD. This is OLED, so you know the difference. So under the microscope, we're gonna see the LCD screen. The iPhone 8. This is LCD. How I know it's LCD? When I press on it, look, it shows the pressure point. It's hard to see under the camera. So this is the LCD under the microscope. Okay. So now we're gonna OLED screen example. Écran LCD, screen LCD under the microscope. So this is an iPhone 12 OLED screen. We will check under the microscope. So as we see here, there's three colors: blue, green, and black. So these colors, these pixels merge together. They merge together to show you the display. See? So there's no backlight. It's the pixels who give it the light and everything. It merges together. Let's say here, it merges more, so it gives you the blue color. This is how it works. This is LCD screen. There's no pixels merged together to give you the display here. There's a projector. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up both of the screens inside. There's a projector, and that's what gives you the display. At the light coming from small LEDs here. There's a small LED, LEDs, LCDs, small, who's giving you the light. But in the OLED screen, there's no LED inside. There's no LCD inside. There's no small LEDs inside. It's the screen itself that gives the light. The OLEDs, the pixels. But here, there's light and there's a projector inside. So we're gonna experiment an iPhone 8, the inside. This is the iPhone 8 LCD screen.